Would you ever try a microwaved cup of tea? Boil the kettle, throw in the tea bag, add the boiling water, stir, brew, squash the bag really strong, get all your anger out on that one, and then throw it in the sink where it could stay for maybe 2 to 3 days. These are the simple rules ingrained into every Irish person's DNA. But in a recent poll, almost 60% of Gen Z say they make their cup of tea in the microwave. That's cold water and a tea bag in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes. Now, before the whole country goes into a tailspin, there's a large caveat with this research. They're at it again, it was carried out in Britain. But could this sacrilegious practice invade our way of life over here? And how bad could this nuked cuppa actually taste? Let's go find a guinea pig and find out.
Ugh.
So common sense has prevailed and microwave tea gets a resounding thumbs down. But honestly guys, there's enough bad things going on in the world. Make sure you enjoy your cup of tea and maybe stick to the kettle. But be honest,